One family, one identity scheme recently seen in news is associated with which state? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Bihar. Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government launched the Shamrik Basira scheme to provide temporary accommodation to 15,000 construction workers at a nominal rate? Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab. Gujarat. National Mission on Cultural Mapping, recently seen in the news, is a scheme administered by which ministry? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Agriculture. Ministry of Culture. What is the main objective of open market sale scheme recently seen in news? To ensure food security and control market prices during lean seasons, to provide increase food grain production, to reduce food grain prices globally, to reduce food grain consumption, to ensure food security and control market prices during lean seasons. Which ministry is the nodal body for implementing the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban recently seen in the news? Ministry of Urban Development, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Yojana recently seen in news comes under which ministry? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance. What is the main objective of the Model Solar Village initiative recently seen in news? Increase agricultural production, promote solar energy adoption, improve healthcare facilities, develop educational institutions. Promote solar energy adoption. Recently, which state government has launched Him Unnati scheme to boost natural farming? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Himachal Pradesh. Mukhyamantri Manjhi Ladki Bhiman Yojana recently seen in the news is launched by which state government? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Kerala, Gujarat. Maharashtra. Which state government recently launched Mukhyamantri Bal Poshtik Ahar Yojana? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Himachal Pradesh. What is the primary objective of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana? Recently completed 5 years of implementation. To modernize agriculture and reducing the drudgery of farming operations, to facilitate resource mobilization of the micro irrigation expansion, to provide social security to small and marginal farmers in their old age, to disseminate information and knowledge to the farming community in local language, to provide social security to small and marginal farmers in their old age. What is the main objective of the Pradhan Mantri Annadata Anya Sarakshan Abhiyan recently seen in news? To provide health insurance to farmers, to ensure remunerative prices to farmers for their produce, to offer free education to farmers' children, to provide free electricity to agricultural fields, to ensure remunerative prices to farmers for their produce. What is the primary objective of the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme 2024 recently seen in news? To introduce new tax categories, to increase tax rates, to reduce ongoing litigations related to income tax, none of the above. To reduce ongoing litigations related to income tax. मुख्यमंत्री नगर उन्नयन प्राक्लाप स्कीम बिहार, त्रिपुरा, असम, ओडिशा. Tripura. Which state government recently launched CM SAS scheme to provide financial support to deserving students? Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. Tripura. Mukhyamantri Bal Ashirwad Yojana, recently seen in the news, was launched by which state? Haryana, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Madhya Pradesh. What is the objective of PM E-Drive scheme launched by Ministry of Heavy Industries? Promote electric vehicle adoption and establish charging infrastructure, reduce public transportation uses, increase petrol vehicle production, none of the above. Promote electric vehicle adoption and establish charging infrastructure. Recently, which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan scheme? Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Which state government launched the Anya Bhagya scheme? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Karnataka. One rank, one pension scheme was completed 10 years of implementation. Is associated with which ministry? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Rural Development. Ministry of which state government has recently launched Nijut Moina scheme for girls education? Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram. Assam. The Namo Drone Didi scheme recently approved by government aims to provide drones to which group? Women self-help groups, agricultural cooperatives for northeastern India, educational institutions, youth organizations. Women self-help groups. Which ministry has implemented the PM internship scheme? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Urban Development, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Subhadra Yojana is the largest women-centric scheme of which state? Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Odisha. What is the primary objective of the One Nation, One Subscription scheme? To provide universal access to medical facilities, to offer countrywide access to scholarly research articles and journals, to promote international collaboration for research, to fund private research institutions, to promote international collaborations for research. Which state government has recently launched the new cottage policy 2024 to support artisans and entrepreneurs? Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. Gujarat. National Youth Parliament scheme is launched by which ministry? Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Rithu Bharosa scheme is associated with which state? Maharashtra, Telangana, Odisha, Karnataka. Telangana. A recent program is an initiative of which ministry? Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Indramana housing scheme is associated with which state? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala, Telangana. Telangana.